Hi guys, I'm gonna start another medium level problem. Okay, let's start the timer. Let me check whether my second camera works okay. Okay, sounds good, looks good. Okay, yeah, I'm eating mint chocolate ice cream. One of my favorite ice cream. Binary tree, vertical order traversal. Given the root of binary tree, return the vertical order traversal of its node value from top to bottom, column by column. If two nodes are in the same row and column, the order should be from left to right. Oh. 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 So when 7 has left node, will be same column, right? So let me first understand this question, this problem. So given this root node, the left node is column -1. This is column +1. -1, this is +1, right? The thing is, we don't actually know the column of this root node. And then let's say that number of node in this tree range, number is like this, value is like this. So if we say this column is k, left node column is k +1, -1. Left node is also again -1, but this is +1, this is +1. So what you can do is we can do in order or whatever traversal, and then we can pass the column to its child, and then the child can add that column into some kind of hash map. And then we can iterate the hash map and we can create this. The other way around could be we can have this vector first, initially empty, and then k is 0, so we can start from k, and then when you have the left node, we now know that this k is 1. So Since there's only 100, this is not a lot. Which means that, well, if the number of nodes is 3, then there are 3 columns. If the number of nodes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 3 column, 3 node, 3, 1, 1. And then if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. And then if we add some more, we'll have 2 more. So the number of column increases like this. Well, one idea I have is that we can create some kind of class column. So if we do this with the depth, the depth for search, we go to this way. So let's say that this is the last one. So the last one is actually column 0. So this one returns that, well, I am column 0. And then this guy knows that, oh, my column is blah blah, something like that. My column is this one plus 1. And your column is this one plus 2, something like this. So what this column, what is can, so this kind of so we'll have this result, and then process. Let's call this process for now. Process node. Process node. So what it does is that we pass root and res. So this guy, I'm kind of vague idea. This guy returns column. Node. Oh, this own work. Okay. There are many. Okay, let's use map. Map. Int. This is column, and then vector. Vector int. Column list. And then we need this. So what it does, what we need to do is populate map, and then build the rest from map. So populate map is like a it's like a DFS, and then column 0, and then we need to pass column list. It's kind of, let me change this later, like this, and then void tree node pointer node, and then int column, and then we have this map, which is reference, right? And then TFS. So so what I need to do is that we call, well, in order what pre-order post order, it doesn't, we couldn't use anything. So here first insert node into M. Let's insert node into map, and then traverse if node left, then let's traverse DFS. DFS not. Is it DFS? Yeah, it's DFS. Node left, and then column +1, and then effect in the map, and then if node right, we can add node right column +1 M, right? So handle child. So what we can do in here is that auto find map.find column. Let's see if this exists. If found is not m.end, so when this exists, what it's gonna do is found second, which is the vector. So in place so the order, it seems that the order is important. So 3, 0, 1, which means that 3 must be visited first, and then this one, yeah. So in place back will be okay. So in this case, node value. But when there is no such a thing, such a vector, then what you can do is that you can add new vector, and then new vector has node.file, as an initial value, right? Okay, so can root be an empty? Number of node, yes, it can be an empty. So we have to handle if root, not root, return empty, right? If not, then if root has only one, then it will place column 0. Maybe I'm getting tired. Okay. This is 4. 4 o'clock is normally not a good time for me to take a test because I'm getting a bit tired. Yes, so we populated, and then next thing we have to, this is map is initially ordered, so the next thing we can do is for const pair int pair from map, right? And ref dot in place back pair dot second, which is a vector. Right. So let's try this. Let's try this. We have 3, so this is called 3 0. So it will add 0 and 3 here. And then left, right, it has left and right, so left, which is 9, is added with -1. So -1, there's no, so -1, there's no such item key, so we'll create -1 and then the vector with 9, and then this 9 will add -2 and 0, so this will create a new one, and then since it does not have this and this, it will finish. Then in case of 0, this 0, column is now 0, so column is found, so 0 value will be added, right? So it will have 0, this one and this one, yeah, something like that. So yeah, it will work. But here this is my method, map, using map. So this is this one is ordered map. So adding it actually takes something like log n. So this DFS actually visited all the node. So this is n log n, I believe. And then this is just O n. Space on, hash is on, and this vector is on. So this actually copies. So maybe you can I wonder whether this work. In this case, what will happen to PR the second? Let me figure this out. My answer is 2, 8. Why? I did the root first. In this case, what I did is that +1, column +1. So 8 is created. Then this is 0, so this was done. And then 2 is column 0, column 1. So the order is different. Three. Let's add 3. 8, and then let's do the 9 and then 8. Let's consider that this is done. So in case of 8, it add 1. Column value is 1. So 8 is added. And then left is 0. Column 0. So 1 is called. Then 1 is added at column 0. and then this is null, and then it calls this. So node right is 2, and this will be 1. So in this call, 1 is found in here. But why? It's in order traversal. So what's the problem? Why is this wrong? Oh, why? I don't understand why this happened. For example, 9, 5 works correct. But somehow, 9, 5, somehow the order of this is reversed to 2, 8. Maybe it's different problem. 3, 9, 5. 3, 9, 5. Then 4, 0, 1, 7, 1, 7. Then no, 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 and then 2, and then 5. 2 5. I don't quite understand. 398 4017. No. 2 5. 4017. No. Then what is this? No. The left side. This one. 2 5. Oh, so 2 is actually a child of this one. So that's why, because we handle this tree first. Oh, I see what's the problem now. Oh, okay. So this 2 is child of this 0. So it's part of the left node. Okay. So 2 is visited first and then 8. This is actually correct in this case. So the implementation is wrong. I understand this incorrectly. Probably incorrectly. So instead, so what I'm thinking is that we can do not DFS but BFS, because this one, we can do one by one, from this depth. So okay, let's quickly change this again. So let's do BFS root M. Okay, this is BFS, and we don't have column, so int column is initially 0. So what we need to do is push Q. We have to Q pair. Let's say that using column int. Column? Column? Oh, what am I doing? Okay, so this is column. So column and then int value. Not int value. Tree node. So let's call it Q. And then what you're gonna do first is that Q dot push, and then column is initially 0, and the tree node is node. Let's call it root. So next thing, while not Q is empty, let's pop it, pair Q dot front, then Q dot pop. So so here int val pr dot first int node val dot second, not int, auto. So let's find whether not val call, whether this is true. And then you can handle this. Q dot push, and then column -1, then node left, right? And then this is plus, node right. So after doing this, we'll get the right M. Okay. So in here, since it's breadth first search, we'll go to this one and then this one, and then this one, this one, this one, and then this one, this one. Yeah, depth by depth. So I think this will work. Okay. Wrong answer. Did it say the result of empty one? I don't know. Oh, what's happening? What? What is the what did I do wrong? Column node value, node value, we have left, if I have node right, this what's wrong? My wife is back. Let me finish this here. Bye. I need to help her.